Hi, my name is Taylor and this is my Module 13 screencast assignment. So what I just did was I just typed in grc.com and this is the first thing that popped up. We are going to go into Services and we're going to go to ShieldsUP. This is what pops up and we're going to go straight to Proceeds right here to run the test. It's just loading. Good. Then we're just going to go to Common Ports to see how my ports are protected and make sure they're secure. This is an IP and it looks like my computer has passed. I'm looking at the status here. These are my ports. This is that service. And it looks like all my ports are on stealth and there's no evidence whatsoever my computer exists at this IP address. So this is great news for me. It means my computer is protected from hackers seeing that there is even a computer, my computer specifically, at this address. So this is great news for me. I'm really happy about this. And that's pretty much the end of my screencast assignment. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you later.